old. He made 463 appearances for the Stags over 11 seasons at Field Mill. And Nottingham dry and clear to start tonight, but it'll cloud over again before dawn. There'll be overnight.
Astra. You can go up there. Oh, what an absolute bell. That lane to the right of me is right only. I saw him shooting up in my right wing mirror. And that horn wasn't necessarily for that Mercedes, that horn was for the Astra driver to warn them. Well, an absolute bell end, and now he's pissing his Mitsubishi off. Right up each other's arse. Yeah, you two carry on. What an absolute douche. Oh my God.
Well, so I said, Mum said to him, there's lots of people.
What are you doing, you silly woman?
Mum said, there's lots of people that
Nothing's worse than slavery, said Two-Flower. His mouth opened as the wizard walked far out to sea and sat down heavily on the waterlogged deck, his face a grey mask. Look, I'm sorry I steered us into the reef, but this boat doesn't seem to want to sink, and we're bound to strike land sooner or later, said Two-Flower comfortingly. This current must...
That lake's 3 times deeper than the sea.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of stuff in there, and there's... He's that! I'm not justifying...
You idiot. You absolute...
Far too close, far too close.
Brazilian footballer Formiga is the only athlete to ever compete in a team sport in 7 Olympics. When she was born, it was illegal for women to play football in Brazil.
This is such a good fact. About such a good player. She's played in every Olympics where women's football has existed.
Right.
So the next Olympics will be the first one in women's football history not to feature Formiga.
It's like if 100 metres run ahead.
Jesus Christ. How? How?
Are you going or what? Yeah, we are. All right.
Flight mission from London Heathrow to JFK to become the world's first commercial airline to fly.
Yep, I know where we're going. Amazing parking from others.
Where are we taking her for a little walkie?
On the property, nicely.
Yeah.
It's a Hummer. What's that?
A wee little Austin 7 and a Volvo.
I'm on. Is it?
Oh my goodness, look at all this is!
Yeah, survive. This guy's got no shoes on. Seriously, he's pedaling his bike with no shoes on. The barefoot rider.
Barbara Streisand.